Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft keeps on crashing and freezing. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your settings, so we're going to write here system. Once you go to system, you're going to click on it, and then from here you're going to click on display. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see the word graphics settings, and then click on it. From here you're going to make sure that the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on, and the variable refresh rate is on. Now you're going to have to restart your PC to apply those changes. Once you do that, you restart your PC, close the computer, and then from here you're going to go back and you're going to search for apps, and you're going to open apps and features. Once you do that, you're going to have this list right here. So from here you're going to search for Minecraft. Once you find Minecraft, click on it, and there's a button that says Advanced Options. Once you click on that, you're going to scroll down until you see the reset section. From here, you're going to click on repair, and then once the repair is done, it will take a moment, click on reset, and then finally, once you restart your computer one final time, then you have the game working. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.